Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to walk through how to create a welcome email automation in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, click on Automations in the left-hand menu, then click the Create Automation button. You will see a variety of templates, so go ahead and search for the Welcome New Contact template and select it to get started quickly, or you can click Start from Scratch if you prefer to build manually. Give your automation a name like Welcome Series, then click on the Start trigger and set it to when a contact is added to a specific list or when a tag is applied, such as New Subscriber. Click the plus icon below the trigger to add your first action and select Send an Email. Then, either create a new campaign or choose an existing one for your welcome email that thanks the subscriber and introduces what they can expect from you. After the email, click the plus icon again and add a wait condition set to 1 day so the next email does not go out too soon. Click the plus icon once more and add another send email action for your second welcome message, which should deliver more value, such as a helpful resource, a discount code, or an invitation to connect on social media. If you want to add a third email, simply repeat the process by adding another wait step followed by another email to continue nurturing the new subscriber. Once your automation flow is complete, click the toggle switch in the top right corner to turn it from draft to live. An ActiveCampaign will immediately start sending your welcome series to every new contact that meets your trigger condition. You can click on the Activity tab at any time to monitor who has entered the automation and what emails they have received. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I will see you in the next one.